Yes everyone, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. The bed in, just got out of bed. It's like half 11, but is it about 11 o'clock now? Decided to have a little bit of a longer sleep than usual. So yeah, what we're doing today is we are fitting an air filter to a Corsa C 1.2. There's a lot of like new people coming onto the channel and that, so we want to try and vary in all different types of cars, because I'm not just about all these fast performance cars. We want to do real cars that relates to you guys. So we've got a Corsa C 1.2 and we're going to put an air filter on it and see if we can actually tell the difference. So let's go get the Corsa and let's get the air filter, and I think he's bought me a Mackey's, so yeah, let's go demolish that and let's get it. Right then, so he's actually bought me a Mackey's, so he's an absolute gent, so I'm going to assist him with this. I'm not too sure if he wants to be on video and that, so yeah, what we'll do, we'll show you the car, maybe get him to rev it and that, see if it actually sounds any different, and then we'll throw the induction kit on, and then we'll show you how to do that, because obviously I'll try and show you how to do it. There's loads of these car YouTubers out there, yeah, that seem to be like, oh, they've got a car channel, but it's basically they're just videoing a geezer that does it for them, that shows you what they're doing, not what I'm doing. And I don't know how they can call themselves car YouTubers when they don't give anything a try, literally ever. And there's plenty out there. So yeah, this is what I want to bring to the channel. I want to do shit myself, and that's why I hope you like watching me. So yeah, this is the Corsa, so let's get it. Over. Right then, so this is Owen's, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see all these nice fancy pictures. This is his Corsa 1.2. He's actually really upset because he hasn't washed it, and he's like, please don't tell him I haven't washed it. But as you can see, he hasn't washed it. So yeah, this is the Corsa. Just a, what is it, just a standard 1.2 limited edition. Yeah, so yeah, standard 1.2. And then yeah, there is the big old airbox. How's it, see, that's what I mean, because there's no under tray or anything like that. Water's just going to come up, innit? So yeah, it's not that bad, but yeah. So let's get working on how to get this bad boy off and get the induction kit. You got the induction kit, so people can see what it looks like. Wash it. Would have at least clean the back of your car out. There you go. Go on then, show us. Pop it out, pop it out. Does it just hang like that? What? Mate, that's mega, that is a big ass cone port, that is. No way, man. Yeah, that sound, that is. That'll do the job. Sweet. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to give it a little rev, just so if there's any actual difference in the noise.
Disclaimer, it is warm.
It is warm, yeah. So you don't hear much induction noise, but it'll change dramatically when you get that on. Well then, so what we've got, like, this is like the perfect, like, this is like beginner's advanced kind of, everything you need is in this box.
For somebody that's only ever used a screwdriver.
Yep, for someone that's only ever used, look at the spanners in that, like 18mm. I need an 18mm, so I might rob it, to be fair, but he's got absolutely everything. So what we're going to do, I told him start off, yeah. So 7mm, weren't it, yeah? So 7mm, we're going to take this off, the mass sensor, crack that off, and then we're going to get to all these little TX bolts, which are just hiding around here. So what I'll do, when he's done that, I'll show you what's next. Right then, so second step, yeah, basically got this cable, but it's like connected to the airbox, like there and there. So to make life easier, there is a little yellow plug, pull that out towards you, and then there you go, straight out. So obviously now this can stay where it needs to be, and then we can work at getting these out. So what you've got is 1, 2, 3, 4 TX bolts. I'm saying they're probably like a TX 25, maybe a 20. So yeah, let's get them out.
Why is it not doing it?
Hey, There you go. The ratchet's pushed down. This is pushed down.
Oh.
Yeah, it should be alright now.
So you doing it, that is?
Yeah, right. It's because it's loose as well, so sometimes you might as well hold the base of this, hold the base of that, and then spin it as well. So you can like hold it and spin it, if that makes sense. There you go, there you go. So just whip all them out and then let's get it.
Let's get it.
Well, I hate let's get it, but what else do you say when you cut screen? At least your car's warm and dirty.
Thanks for mine.
Right then, so because it's on like a latch kind of system, you need to like pull this side up first and then pull away. So go on, do that. It's like lift this bit up. There you go. That's kind of out. There you go. Obviously just connected with these two now. So just get like a flathead screwdriver and push them out. See, there's a little clip thing in there. And that one there, so just pop them out and yeah. There's your air filter, so nice and dirty.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's like little prongs here that hold it in place. So instead of going all evil Knievel and pulling it out, just get a flathead in. Give it a little pry straight out. So sometimes I used to lose my head with these, but you just got to be the bigger person and just pop it out. Watch me, now I've said that, I won't be able to get this one out, you watch. Come on baby. Oh lovely, there you go, airbox out. Now it's time to get the bottom out. Videoing yet? Right, so there's a bung at the bottom and then there's a bung this side as well. If I remember correctly, and there's another bung there, cold air feed pipe. That's come off. We'll actually use that. Yeah, there's that pipe out. So literally, sweet as that. See. We'll stick that back on there like so. Then obviously when your car's driving, it's taking all the air in, your new air filter will be sitting here and the cold air will be going into that, which means it'll be cold air induction, yeah. So yeah, let's get the new one in, stick it in. Reducer, obviously this won't fit, so just make sure that you can get a reducer kit off eBay, I think, so you're not too bad. You just ask, will dirt get in there? It shouldn't do really, because of like the kind of design it's got, so water's going to hit that and go around it, unless you hit a massive puddle and it like waves in. Other than that, you'll be alright really. So what we're going to do, we'll stick that on there and then obviously push it on like so. So yeah, let's do it, or let's get it, as Owen likes to say. Stick that on there like so. Yep, where's that Jubilee clip? Is it that one? Where's that one from? So we'll put this one on top like that. There you go. Literally as easy as that. Then I've usually flatted or just 7. Where'd you put it? Sit it up nice and tight. There you go. Math sensor, plug that back in. There you go. You probably could do with like I don't know, maybe some form of cable tie or something, just to, you know what I mean, you could get a cable tie around that and just cable tie it around that, because obviously now it's got a bit of movement. Or if you wanted to, you could put the bottom of the airbox back in and then rest it in there, you know what I mean? So if you hear knocking when you're driving, it could be that, you know what I mean? Because look, it's because it's heavy. So yeah, what I've just done there, we've put the bottom section in just so it doesn't move about. Obviously look at that now, there's no movement on that whatsoever, so yeah, pretty much good to go. It's not coming over the bonnet and that, so it should sit nice. So yeah, if you want to start it up and see how it sounds, you ready? You hear it, Ab? It is a lot louder, isn't it? So yeah, that is an induction kit on a Corsa D 1.2. Pretty sound.
Yeah, seatbelts on for safety first, kids. Well then, I mean, actually I want to see what you think it sounds like. Obviously I've had air filters and all that kind of stuff before, so I'm used to all this, whereas this is your car, so this is your day to be honest. Stop moaning about everything, man. Read it. Does sound a bit deeper, doesn't it, on the exhaust?
Sounds completely different.
How much was it, the air filter?
£10.
10 quid. Well, you got a second-hand air filter for 10 quid. So you could go eBay, Halfords, wherever, as long as you get the reducers. Sometimes you can get like loads of reducers together. So go on, give it some to the speed limit. It sounds a lot more deeper, isn't it? Feel right. It's gonna go. No. Oh, you've messed it up. Messed it up. How's it feel? Any different?
It's not ticky. That's what
I don't know how that would affect that. After this bump, send it.
My brakes are so squeaky.
Is that you full throttle?
It's in second though.
Piss off.
It is slow.
Go on.
Go.
You're killing me. Oh, I can't believe how don't kill us, man. Oh my god. That actually sounds alright.
It actually sounds good, man.
It probably will be worse on fuel, but depends how you drive it.
It's not good on fuel anyway.
It's a 1.2, it can't be that bad.
It's not that good.
You don't think? So what do you reckon?
Ask anyone if they know how to sort out the tyre pressure sensor. That's for like a Vauxhall Techie.
If anyone knows how to remove the tyre pressure sensor on a Corsa C.
And it's not the sensor, it's a module.
It's the what? Module?
Yeah.
Whoa, don't be going, son. Fucking hell. I don't want to die in a Corsa D. At least if it's a Ferrari and we're hanging out soldiers, then yeah, but
Just ask them.
oh, go on, yeah, you pull out what's on your phone, you wanker. Might ring you to clean my windows and then throw a phone at you. Where are you going? Oh, you need
There's a car there.
you need lowering springs or something on this, man. It's so bouncy. It's literally like, imagine driving on a mattress.
If anybody wants to sponsor me and get some.
Send it. Hang on, there's a dog. whack it on the bonnet, see how it gets on.
Right then guys, that is it for today's video. Hopefully we're going out and do another video in a minute, so yeah, like I say, if I can get my hands on anything car wise, anything we can video, we're doing it. So yeah, induction kit on a Corsa D 1.2. Hope you enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, it really helps man. We're on the road to 10k, so yeah, let's get it and see you on the next one. Peace.